Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2018 Lexus RX 350 maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here. The middle button for enter, up, down, left, right, back, and we're going to be using that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Let me get a little closer here. Go ahead and press back and press menu. The menu button is right here. Okay, press menu and use, every time you say this, go ahead and press back, and when you get here, go ahead and click left or right to go find your page, which is the settings here, and go ahead and press on vehicle setting, enter on it, scroll down to schedule maintenance, scroll up to yes, enter on that. Now go back, go down to oil maintenance, enter on it, scroll up, enter on yes, and that should do it. Go ahead and go back, and if you want to reset the TPMS, the tire pressure monitor system, go ahead and reset that if you want, but this video is about the maintenance and the oil change. So make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.